Screw air compressor maintenance. Tools and accessories preparation. Replace the air filter. Twist the cover counterclockwise to open it. Take out the empty filter. New air filter inserted. Put the lid on and tighten it. Replace oil filter. Use a belt wrench to unscrew the oil filter. Use a bag to prevent the oil from dripping into the machine. No oil filter. Touch the oil on the rubber ring to prevent leakage. Tighten the oil filter using a belt wrench. Use scissors to cut the cable ties. Use a wrench to remove the air pipe. Use a wrench to remove the oil return pipe. Remove the pressure sensor to prevent it from being damaged when twisting the joint. Use an adjustable wrench to unscrew the air pipe. Use a ratchet wrench to unscrew the paint bucket cover screws. Remove the paint bucket lid. Remove oil. Clean the oil contact surface. New oil separator inserted. Put the oil cover on and align the screw holes. Put on the screw. Diagonal locking screw. Tighten the original pipe fittings. Install the pressure sensor. Tie the cable ties. Drain the oil. Add oil. Lock the fuel cap. Note that the oil level is within the red line.